Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This is the final reveal of my twined basket. I'm so happy about this project. Like you saw the process, this is one of the used container, and I just used one of the fabric that was lying around. I started sticking the fabric around the container and started the mop head, pulled all the strands and started twined around the container. And in the bottom part, I just added I unraveled the rope into individual strands and then I stuck in the bottom. And after I stuck everything, I just showed that heated torch or heated lighter, so all the glue strands would be stuck well to that. And I also stuck the fall leather ribbon as a handles on either side, and those are like thumb tucks. I just inserted them. Either you can use this as a planter or you can use this as like holder for holding towels, or you can use it in your makeup room or craft room. It's so beautiful. I'm so in love with this. It looks so gorgeous with greenery as well. So I'm going to leave it like this. So this is one of the projects that I'm very much happy about. Let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Twine It Up Challenge, and this is hosted by Fanny over Creations by Favi and co-hosted by Jamie over the Crafty DIY Guy. I leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And this one is another container, the plastic container. Like you saw the process, I used the rope. I unraveled the rope into single strands and I circled it around this container, and I showed the heated torch so that all the glue strands are gone. And this is one of the jute cord. I got 3 of them, and I just circled them like that, like a stand to that container, and attached wooden beads on the end of that. So you cannot put heavy stuff in it. I just can use this as a planter. So all I did was I stuffed some of the bags and some of the floral foam and some greenery and some succulent on the top. So I want to decorate just like this. So this is one of the twined project that I'm very much happy with. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. These are the 2 simple twined projects that I wanted to share here, and I'm very much happy because I didn't throw these plastic containers, and then I reused it into something useful, and I'm very happy about how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this, and I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.